Hanoi is so big that you'll never run out of places to explore. So the other afternoon I hopped on my bike and headed south on the highway next to the river. I decided to follow a sign I noticed that leads me to a hidden temple just off the main road. Even though the city surrounds it from every direction, it still manages to appear as if it's located in the middle of a jungle. Let's go and take a look. Okay, so I have no idea what kind of pagoda this is, just off the main road. It's pretty old, pretty nice actually, never heard of it before. Let's see. Looks pretty nice, although a little bit Disneyland-like. Oh, looks a bit deserted. Let's see what's here. Okay. Nothing too special. So, after the visit to the pagoda, I get on the bike and hit the road again, heading south. This time I notice on my left a huge rice field, so I enter to take a look. So a little bit down the street, and this is a huge rice field. And the city is just over there. Of course, I never miss a chance to play with my beloved toy and inspect the area from the air. And then it's time to continue to explore the area. Then for some reason, I don't know why, they have a lot of coal deposits here. That's what they're doing. Working on it everywhere, the whole road actually. Here, let's look. So everything all around here. Out one of the places they were eating a dog, they kicked me out. For some reason they didn't want me to look at it. More coal, everything. This is the raw coal. So let's check and see what's over there, this direction. Nothing much this area. So banana plantations. Looks like a fishing location. Let's see. Lots of people here. So if you wonder why the double mask, not even one, it's one, another one, I hope it's protecting for something. It's because, well, look at this. 132 PM 2.5. Everything above 55 PM 2.5 is dangerous level. Anything above 12 is above safe level. So 136 right now which is very polluted. Actually, I shouldn't be even outside, but you can actually see how blue the sky is. And then once you go a little bit lower, you can see all the haze. Now, this is also because the time of the year when the hot air from the ground is meeting the cold air in the atmosphere and creating fog. But together with 5 million and more, maybe 6 million motorbikes and 1 million cars, plus you saw all the coal, I mean they're burning all of it, plus burning all the garbage everywhere, and you get this kind of air pollution, which is one of the worst in the world actually. So this is the city, but it's actually still a village. You look at this buffalo here that's looking at me, and the cub that gets closer. Yeah. Hello, buffalo. And all the water around, but the city is just straight ahead. When I was flying the drone above the rice fields earlier, I noticed a church in the horizon, so I flew there to take a closer look. As I was heading back home, I thought it would be nice to stop there and pay it a visit. Okay, so this is the church. I don't know anything about it. It looks like they're all preparing for Christmas. They're all preparing for Christmas here.
Mới xây lại trước kia là nhà thờ cũ năm 1926, bây giờ là xây lại năm 2006.
Oh, okay, okay. So I took my mask off. I got kind of surprised to see a person with a beard. I showed them the flycam video of the church.
Đấy là con của chú ấy. Chú chơi thế nào? Nhà thờ mình đấy.
And then it was getting dark, so it's time to go back home. Goodbye.